Hi, my name is Maddie and welcome back to MaddyMakes, a channel where I make stuff. And this week, I decided to do an art trade with my friend Julia. I'll insert a picture here. Yeah, she is amazing and so creative, and she runs an Instagram account called Mama She Sews, where she sews like thrift flips and like really cool stuff. And I wanted to get my hands on a Mama She Sews original, so I was like, let's do an art trade. We decided on a theme for the actual trade. So we made each other bags.
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me?
But yeah, happy Valentine's Day. So glad I got to do this trade with Julia. She's amazing and so funny, so.
She's an icon, she's a legend, and she is the moment. Now come on now.
And she made me something super cool. But yeah, enjoy the ride. Okay, hi, hello. Coming in for a craft intermission. I am noticing a bit of a pattern with my crafting. I'll only do that thing for like 2 weeks, and then I only buy that material. Like, I've only bought yarn. I spent like 140 bucks on yarn in the past 2 days.
Stop it. Get some help.
I've made like 5 bucket hats, and I don't even wear bucket hats that much, but now I'm gonna have to start. I've just been like giving them out like no tomorrow. Like, anyone I talk to on the phone, I'm like, would you wear a bucket hat, and do you want one? Because I've already made you one. And then after like 2 weeks of only doing that thing, and I get really tired of it, and then I never look at it again. It's just kind of weird. Yeah, and that's my cat at my door asking to get back in.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Okay.
her.
Okay, hello. So welcome to my 3rd attempt at making a purse for Julia that I'm willing to give away. Unfortunately, I have made 2 that I am so emotionally attached to, I can't give up. First one I made was this one, and I liked it too much to give it to her, so I kept it. It's this little heart bag. I made a second purse thinking I'd be fine giving this one away, and apparently not, because I still have it. Oh, I'm just going to the market. Oh, me. Also, I sewed this jacket.
In case you haven't noticed, I'm weird. I'm a weirdo.
So I've made this body of a black bag. So essentially it's just a ton of rows of just half double crochets. Really simple. I made up the pattern myself. It's 23 chains long. Yeah, this took me about like 3 hours-ish to do one that's big enough to like fold here. And what I'm gonna do is just stitch up the sides, and then it becomes like this nice little pouch. And I've also made these hearts, which are really cute to decorate the bag with. So there's one big one and then 3 little ones. So I thought it'd be cool to do like this on one side and then the big heart on the other. Me attaching them on with a yarn needle, this bad boy, and using the same yarn I used like a velour that's really soft, which I really like. Quick intermission. I actually used a tutorial for how to crochet the hearts, but I adapted it a little bit, but it's basically the tutorial I linked down below. Super simple, very beginner friendly. So, bit of an update. I have now sewn all of the hearts onto the purse, so the 3 on the back and then the 1 on the front. And I've sewn up the sides of the purse together, so now it's a little pouch. The only things left to do are to crochet the handle, and I'm just gonna attach it to both ends, and it should be really cute. But one cool thing is that this is a pocket, so you can put your phone in here. It's a little small for a phone, but still pretty cute. I'm now done crocheting the strap, and now I'm going to attach it with this yarn needle right now. But yeah, I really like how this is turning out. I think it's so cute. Love it. Okay, hello. So the next step in this bag making process for Julia is to actually line the purse. So I think I'm gonna use this. It's kind of got some structure. It's like cotton, has a nice weight to it. So I'm gonna be cutting out the lining for this. It's a pretty simple process. You essentially just make a pouch out of the fabric and then sew it inside of the bag. So I'm gonna cut 2 rectangles, sew them together just like this, and then hem it. and then sew it to the inside of the purse. So now I've hemmed the bag, double check that she fits in, and ta-da, she does.
Okay, finally, it's here. I just want to say, never underestimate the power of a package. Honestly, like, flip my whole day around. Like, this is so exciting. Where did you get this box? Where do you get a box like this from? Okay, I feel intense with this, but... Oh, okay. Okay, here we go. Okay, big reveal. Excellent packaging. Better than mine. It's so big. How did you do this? Don't tell me. You put a damn a lining in it. Look at that. Like that. This is professional quality. Hi, Queen.
Hey, Queen.
This is so cute. Is this what crochet can do? Like, I gotta start picking this up. Like, look at the possibilities. Hi, Queen. Cute. I love it. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's so cute. Look how soft these hearts are. Let me know if anyone wants to come over and just like feel the heart. I actually love it. Thank you so much. This was so much fun. This was so fun. Maddie, you're the best. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry, I just realized, it's been like an hour. I just realized this is a freaking pocket right here. This is a pocket. I feel like it would. It's just so cute. Come on. Oh, I love that. I do love that. It's so cute.